Hey there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn part of the choreography from Harry Styles' Dance No More music video. The music video was choreographed by Ryan Heffington. This is not my choreography, just my interpretation. There's a lot of choreography in the music video. We're just going to learn a short section of it, just enough to get you up and moving and dancing. We're going to break down the steps nice and slow, step by step, using a lot of repetition and having some fun. This video is going to be the tutorial only, so you're not going to find the music here in this video. However, there is another video where I will dance it with music, and you can find it in the video description down below or up here in this card. So go check out that other video when you're ready to try this with music, or if you just want to see which section we're learning with music. All right, let's dance. Here we go. We're breaking the moves down into counts of 8, and there are 3 of those total. Our first 8 count, you're going to step or jump your feet apart on 1. Elbows are going to pull up, palms are facing the back of the room, but you're having your hands in fists, and we're going to hinge a little here at our hips. So that's going to be on 1. And then we're going to have a little windshield wiper action going with our hands. Your hips are going to follow the direction that your hands go. So we're going to go right, left. That's going to be 1 and 2. Then just your arms, you're going to take them overhead and go and 3 and 4. So we're going to the right on the and, to the left on the count. So this is 1 and 2, then it goes up, and 3 and 4. Yes? Sure. So just remember to go to the right first, and then just keep swinging them right, left, right, left. Step or jump out on 1. 5, 6, step or jump out. This is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now you can keep it just like that, or they do a little step on and 3. So they're going to go 1 and 2. On and 3, they're going to step left, right, and then just the arms go again. So it's in opposition. Your feet are stepping left, right. Your arms are going right, left. So it's going to look like this. Step, step, left, right. So it's going to be 1, right, left. Your feet are going to go left, right. Arms are going to go right, left, right, left. Clear as mud, right? Try it really slow. 5, 6, 7, arms go out. On 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again, 5, 6, step or jump out. On 1, right, left, right, left, right, left. Again, 5, 6, 7, jump out on 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. From here, you're quickly gonna pick that right foot up, touch it with your right hand. Left hand goes behind your head. That's gonna be on the count of and. It's really fast. And on the count of 5, we're gonna take that right foot and just place it down on the floor in front of you. Right arm's gonna come up to your shoulder. Left arm is just going out. I believe that they just keep the fingers straight. My hand wants to flex for some reason. So whatever you're doing is perfect. So this is gonna be and 5. See the flex? It just happens. Again, you're gonna go and 5, and then we're gonna step, or we're gonna lift up and, so think about your shoulder and your foot lifting up together, and down, up, down. So we're walking forward to the corner now. We're lifting the right leg up, down, and then left foot, up, down. Yes? Ooh, a lot going on. So this was and 5, and 6, and 7. And you just put the right foot down, 5, then you pick that right foot back up, and 6, and 7. You're gonna keep walking, and 8, 1. So from 7, you put your weight on that left foot. You're gonna take little tiny steps, or just take one step, whatever comes out, and we're gonna face this side or the corner to the right here. You're gonna take your hands down, and they're gonna roll up your body. Now, you can do one hand up the middle, one hand back. You can do both hands back, whatever you wanna do. That's gonna be on 8 and then 1. It's gonna continue on into the next 8 count. So this was and 5. We're going to lift the shoulder and foot. And 6. Lift the shoulder and foot. And 7. And then you're going to go and 8, 1. Yes, just like that. Try it from and 5, really slow. 1, 2, 3, right foot up. And 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1. Let's put that whole 8 count together. So here's your preview. We're going to step or jump out on 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Right foot's going to come up on and 5, lift, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1. Ooh, I'm going to count you in. We're going to go really slow this first time. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Slower than that. 5, 6, 7, step out on 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Up, down, up, step, step, up, up. Try it again. You got it. 5, 6, 7, we go out on 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1. Fantastic job. You're doing an awesome job. Remember, it's a recorded tutorial, so you can pause it, practice it whenever you need to, whenever you're ready to go on to our second 8 count. This one's easier than the first, I promise. So we finished here, 7, 8, 1. So that's the first count. We're already coming up here on 1. On the count of 2, you're just going to step forward on your left foot as you pop the right shoulder really strong to the front. So it's going to be 1, 2, and then you're going to step on your right, 3, and then you're going to take that shoulder back, 4. So we're hitting same step 2 times in a row. Left foot, right shoulder, step together, and then we repeat. Left foot, right shoulder. So this was 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're just going to take 4 steps around yourself. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 steps. Right, left, whichever way you turn, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to go around to the right here. And that's our second 8 count, y'all. Woo! So this was 8, 1. That left foot's going to go forward with the right shoulder. 2, step. 3, hit. 4, walk. Right, left, right, left. I'll count you in. We're going to go on 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1. Left, 2. Right, 3. Left, 4. Around. 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the second 8 count. Let's put it back together with the first. So walking through it really slow, we're going to step or jump out on 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, right foot, and 5, lift, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1, left foot, 2, step, 3, hit, 4, walk around, right, left, right, left. Yes, let's do our 2 8 counts. I'm going to count you in. We're going to go a little bit faster. You can do it. 5, 6, 7, jump out on 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, hit, 2, step, 3, hit, 4, around, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do it one more time. We're going to go a little bit faster. You can do it. Remember, if you're moving, you're doing it right because it's all for fun. Let's go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Ready? 5, 6, jump out on 1. This is 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Up, down. 7, and 8. 1, hit, 2, step, 3, hit, 4, around. 5, 6, 7, 8. Amazing job. When you're ready, we're going to go on to our third and final 8 count. Here we go. So we walked around 5, 6, 7, 8. Your right foot's free. We're going to step out on our heels and then back together. So it's going to be and 1, and 2. Right, left, right, left. Your arms are going to go with your feet. So you're going to go right, left, and then we're going to come in a little right, left. Out, out, back, back. And 1, and 2. You're going to lift your left knee up. 3, and then I believe in the video they kick the right foot. So it's left knee, right kick. But if you want to do both knees or both kicks, it doesn't matter. Unless you're auditioning to be in the music video, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to do left knee, right kick, 1 and 1. The arms are over the head. I'm clasping. I'm not real sure if they actually clasp or not, but you're pulling it the same direction as the leg. So we're pulling it to the left, then we're pulling it to the right as we kick the right. That's going to be on 3 and 4. So you're on the beat. 3 and 4. So the first part of our third 8 count starts on and. We go right, left, and 1, and 2, up, 3, step and kick 4. I'll count in. 5, 6, 7, right, left, and 1, and 2, then 3. Kick 4. On and 5, you're going to go right, left. So the arms are going from up, they're swinging down. Your right foot was kicking or your knee was up and you're stepping right, left and hinging over here. You can put a little, like, come forward on that, or you can stay back more in that right leg. That's going to be on and 5. So this was 3 and 4 and 5. You're just going to stand up on 6, and I'm going to bring my hands, I got 2 fingers together. Again, just my interpretation. I'm going to bring everything up on 6. So this was and 5, 6. Right, left, bring it up and together. We're almost done. Let's try it again though. We're going to go right, left, and 1, and 2, left knee. 3, right kick, 4, and 5, come up, 6. On and 7, we're going to step out to the right. We're going to keep these 2 fingers. The arms are going to go out and they're going to cross 7. We're going to go left hand behind your head and, so we're going out. I'm going to sit to the right. Cross, I'm going to sit to the left. Right hand to the hip, left hand back. And then we're going to bring this hand around your head. Left hand, big jazz hand, spread it across, spread the fingers out. And it's just going to slide in front of your face. That's going to be on 8, 1. And as you do that, you can sit down into your legs. And that's it. So the last part goes and 7 and 8, 1. And if you want to give a little wide mouth, tongue out like Harry does, you can. Again, we're going to go out, cross, back, melt, in front of your face. Yeah. So our third and final 8 count. Ooh, I'm sweating. We're going to take it out and 1, back and 2, left knee 3, right kick 4, step right, left and 5, bring it up 6 and 7 and 8, 1. So from here, this was and 5. You're bringing that left foot together, 6, and then you're going to step out on your right as your hands go out. And 7 and 8, 1. Again, this is just my interpretation. You can take those arms all the way out if you want to, make them more up here. Whatever you feel like doing. If you're moving, you're doing it right. I'm going to count you in. We're going to go and 1 and 2. Left knee goes up. 5, 6, 7. Out on your heels. And 1 and 2. 3. Kick 4 and 5. Up 6 and 7 and 8. 1. This goes on. Respect your mother. Sounds just like that. So as long as you're hitting that out on the respect your mother, then you've got it. But it's on and 7. It comes really fast. And 7 and 8, 1. I'll count you in again from and 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7, heels out. And 1 and 2, knee 3, kick 4, down 5, up 6 and 7 and 8, 1. Yeah. Our third 8 count one more time. You got it. 5, 6, 7, heels out. And 1 and 2, knee 3, kick 4, then 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 1. Yes. Amazing job. The time has come to go all the way back to the top. Put all 3 of our 8 counts together really slow just so we see how everything fits. So from the top, we're gonna step or jump out on 1 and swing right, left. When I say slow, I mean really slow. Hang on for the ride. I believe in you. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, step and jump on 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, up, down, and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, step left, 2, step right, 3, step left, 4, walk it around, 5, 6, 7, heel, heel, and 1, and 2, knee, 3, kick, 4, down, and 5, up, 6, and 7, and 8, 1. Very, very nice. We're gonna go up a little faster. If you're not ready, that's okay. Go back, watch that slower tempo as many times as you need to. Remember, this was choreographed for professional dancers, so we're just having fun. And maybe if you're like me, you're sweating a lot. I don't know. It's okay. It's okay if we are. Let's go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Ready? 5, 6, step or jump out on 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, up, down, and 7 and 8. 1, hit, 2, step, 3, shoulder 4, walk around, 6, 7, heel, heel, and 1 and 2, knee, 3, kick, 4, down, 5, up, 6 and 7 and 8, 1. Yeah, fantastic job. I have a message for you. It's way faster with music. We're gonna do it one more time here together. We're gonna go a little bit closer to the tempo. And then of course, when you're ready to practice it with music, there's that separate video linked in the video description where you can do that. For now, let's do it one more time here together with counts. Let's go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Ready? 5, 6, 7, you got to jump. 1 and 2, step, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, hit, 2, step, 3, around, 5, 6, 7, heel, heel, and 1 and 2, knee, 3, kick, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 1. Amazing job. And that's our tutorial. You did an amazing job today. Thank you so much for joining me. Remember, when you're ready to practice with music, it's in a separate video that's linked down in the video description. So go check it out when you're ready to practice. If you had fun today and you want to see more tutorials just like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. Thank you again for joining me. Remember, if you were up and you were moving, you were having fun, then you were doing it right. Even if you're just watching, I'm proud of you. It's hard being a human, and you're doing a great job. Please go have an incredible rest of your day. I hope you'll be kind to yourself and kind to others, and I hope you'll come back and dance with me again in another tutorial. Bye, y'all.